to the online class. In last class we have started the new lesson, that is lesson number 13, money. In today's class we will continue with the same topic and we will complete the lesson. See here, take the correct option here. They given some statements and you have to solve that and take the correct answer here. 5 plus 10 15, 15 plus 2 17. The correct option is second. 1 plus 20 21, 21 plus 10 31. 50 minus 20 is 30. 20 minus 2 80. Okay, this is the completion of your 13th lesson, and today we will start the new lesson, that is lesson number 14, time. See here, this is a clock. We use a clock to know the time. Its flat surface is called the face of the clock. The numbers from 1 to 12 appear on its face. A clock has two hands. First, you know the clock in every home. Clock is there, wall clock is there. Understand? In that clock, a flat surface. This flat surface is called its face of the clock. And the numbers 1 to 15, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12, these numbers are appear on its face. Okay, face of the clock. And the clock has two hands. These are the two hands of the clock. First one is a short hand or an hour hand. This is called short hand or hour hand. Understand? And second one is a long hand or a minute hand, and the second hand is called minute hand or long hand. This is the short hand or hour hand, and this is long hand or minute hand. Understand? We use the clock to know the time. The short hand shows the hour. And a day has 24 hours. So the hour hand completes 2 rounds. 12 plus 12 is equal to 24. In 24 hours, 1 day. The long hand shows the minutes. See here, dear students, in the clock only 12 numbers are there. Okay, the short hand shows the hour. This shows the hour. A day has 24 hours. See here, 1 to 12 means afternoon, and next 12 to again 12, it means 2 round completes means 1 day complete in 24 hours. One day has 24 hours. The long hand shows the minutes. This long hand shows the minutes. Understand? And this present clock showing the time 3. See here, hour hand pointing the number 3 and minute hand pointing at 12, and this is at 3 and the time is 3. Understand? See here, they give an activity here. Write the missing numbers on the face of the clock. Draw an hour hand and a minute hand. Here they given clock here. You have to write the missing numbers here. Okay, on the face of the clock. 12, here write 1, 2, 3 already written, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And what they have given? Draw an hour hand and minute hand. Minute hand showing long hand means at pointing at 12, and hour hand. On any number you can draw. Okay, on any number you can draw. And now the time is 2. Understand, dear students? Dear students, here they given some examples here. Okay, see here, reading the time, study these examples. First example, when the hour hand is on 1 and the minute hand is on 12, we read the time as 1 o'clock. We write it as 1. Okay, see here, when minute hand showing 12 on 12 and hour hand is on 1, and the time we read as 1 o'clock. This is 1 o'clock and write as 1. Okay. Next here also it is also same. When the hour hand is on 2 and the minute hand is on 12, we read as the time 2 o'clock. We write it as 2. We can write it as 2 o'clock. Hour hand showing 2, minute hand showing 12. It means 2 o'clock. In next class, we will continue with the same topic. Thank you.